Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. Dermot Kennedy here with Don't Forget Me. Great song there, and we had some different techniques to look at here. Some finger picking, very easy, and then we also have a clean strumming pattern like that. So a great song to practice variations here of how to play and use chords. So let's start this up with a capo here on the first fret. And we have a couple of chords to go over, so let's start with A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have the B minor. That's a bar chord, so a bar placed on the second fret, and you bar all strings except for the last D here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then actually the last chord here is the G. We don't need to go over any chords more than that. The rest is just finger picking. So the G is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so only 3 chords is needed here. But now let's take a look at the start here, the verse. And this one is like this finger picking thing going on here. So we're gonna do that part by part. So everything is like that. All right. So it's based upon different chords here: the B minor, G, D, and A. D, we don't strum that chord, so that's the reason for not going through that when it comes to the full chord. We just pick 2 notes from this D here. So anyway, let's start with this B minor thing. You just hold 2nd on A and 2nd on the E string. And just play them as they come. 2nd A, 2nd E. The next chord is the G, and you play this part. So that is 3rd on E string here in the bass, and then 3rd B. We have the next D thing here. So that is open D string first, and then 2nd G. And then finally we have the A. So that is open A string, and then open E. So that is 1 round. So you play that for 3 rounds, and then after 3 rounds you play this thing that is based on the G. So what you do here, you hold the 3rd on E string, the bass, and then 3rd on B, and you're gonna play first 3rd E, 3rd B, back to 3rd E, then 3rd B again, and then a short pause, and then 2 more on the 3rd B together like that. And that's the ending. So E, B, E, B, B, B. All right? The strings mentioned there. And that is the verse play. So 3 rounds of the chord progression based finger picking there, and then the G in the end. That is how I handle the verse. Now let's go into the chorus, and for this one we need to learn a strumming pattern. A will be the first chord, so grab the A, and yeah, one strumming round will sound like this. All right, so it's down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. I play the first 2 downs more on the bass strings, and then the last down, down, up more on the mid top strings to get higher notes down here. So bass, bass, top, top, top. That is 1 round. And get the feeling for the rhythm, it goes like this. Alright, so the chorus is 1 round of A, 1 round of B minor, and 2 rounds of G. That is 1 chord progression. A1, B1, G2. For the choruses here, you're gonna play 4 rounds of this chord progression for every chorus. We have 3 different choruses here in this song. So 4 chord progression rounds will be what you're gonna play for the choruses. Then after the choruses comes the post-chorus part here. And we will play in the same way as if we play the choruses for another 2 rounds in both these post-choruses. Then after 2 minutes and about 5 seconds into the song comes a bridge part. It is right after the second chorus. And we will play a little bit differently. We have the same chords as the chorus, so A, B minor, and G, but we just play it in a different way. All right, so I'm gonna play it for you first and then explain how it's done. So let's go for 1 round. All right, so you're gonna play A. You're gonna play 2 downs here, but 1 down on the bass strings, and then you answer on the top strings. That's A. Then you do the same for B minor, 1 down on bass, and 1 down on top strings. And then you go to G and play the same, bass, top, and then a short pause, and then you kick the top strings again. So that's the difference from the other chords. The G has bass, top, top, and then you go for another round. So 2 rounds of this, for example, sounds like this. Alright, so that's the bridge part at 2 minutes and 5 seconds into the song. You're gonna do that for 4 chord progression rounds. Alright, and that is just after the second post-chorus. All right, and then it comes with a 3rd chorus. That's pretty much the ending. And then we have this outro also. It's same play as the bridge we just looked at. So the down, 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 A, B minor, and G. And you do that for 2 rounds. And that is the outro. That means that is how Dermot Kennedy's Don't Forget Me ends. All right, so pretty much 3 different chords when it comes to the strumming here. Very easy picking here when it comes to the verses. So give it a try, guys, and I hope you enjoy this. If you did, please let me know. Thumb up this tutorial, and till next time, play tuned.